Hello guys, welcome to our latest YouTube video. Today we're working on something extremely special, almost as special as our customer, Kevin. He has been using our services pretty much since we've been open, since 1996. So very long-standing loyal customer for all those years. Now, Kevin has, to be honest, is a fleet of vehicles. But this vehicle that we have in is his McLaren 720S. Now, if anyone knows Kevin, knows he likes to take it to the next level. He doesn't like things standard. Everyone knows a McLaren 720S is a very special car, just stock. But Kevin is taking it to the next level. Now, we are going to be completing a full Vorsteiner style body kit installed to this McLaren. We've also got some extremely special alloy wheels going on there as well. This does include paintwork, so you're going to be going through the full procedure with us on this project, and we cannot wait to get into the video to show you what's going to happen. Kevin has, like I said before, he has a fleet of cars, but I just want to say in this video, my favorite car of Kevin's is the McDonald's Happy Meal box. So if Jake could put a little box up here somewhere, click this video to see that. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please watch all the way to the end because it's definitely worth the watch. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that would really help us out grow. Let's get into the workshop and show you what we're doing on this build. See, I have the full carbon fibre body kit behind me. Now they're a little bit tacky, so I'm not going to touch them. Reason being, we are in an energy crisis. So what we've actually done, these have been air dried. They've obviously stayed in the booth long enough to get them sort of skinned off, gone relatively hard. But due to us obviously not baking them, it will take a bit longer for them to fully cure. Obviously, like I said, with this energy crisis, we need to make sensible moves. So the booths aren't going literally every minute of the day. So with that being said, obviously Nelly is going to be stripping the whole car down, so it's going to take him the rest of the day to get the car completely apart. So by tomorrow these will be rock hard, ready for Nelly to piece back together to go onto the vehicle. But I would say zoom in and look at the edges, but there's going to be no edges. On the underside of some parts where we've had to mask off, there will be an edge, but TBC Skin is full panel coverage. So every single section of these panels, apart from obviously the backs of the panels, are coated in well over 100 microns of clear peelable paintwork. So for instance, if we scratched along here now, we can simply peel off that paint and reapply it to that panel. So that's going to obviously help with stone chips and any damage that the car may pick up. It's just protecting all this extremely expensive carbon. Let's go through to Nelly and watch him strip the car down. So guys, we are now in the fit up stage with the McLaren 720S. This is one of our very special customers. I won't say his second name, but he's called Kevin. Lovely, lovely guy, and he loves his cars, as you can see. So, so we are now stripping the complete vehicle down as we have the full carbon fibre body kit, which has been TBC skinned in the paint shop. I knew we'd have to do something. So the skin is all protected. Obviously, as you can imagine, that carbon fibre kit is worth a fortune. So it's all now protected in TBC skin. Let's have a walk around the car. Let's go to the front. Get out of the way. We are going to be removing the full front bumper off the vehicle as we have the new carbon fibre.
Because you can, instead of removing a full, you can just remove half of it if you want.
Can you go away?
The full front bumper.
Yes, obviously.
Instead of half of it.
Going to be removing the front bumper, replacing this. Oh, this guy. Changing the front bumper section to basically an upgraded, much beefier styled front and centre section. Coming round to the side, we've got the carbon inlays for the bumper itself as well. They will be changed over to carbon fibre ones. Previously on this car, we did actually repaint these brake calipers. Now these are done in the Mercedes colour, the solar beam, which was the same colour as Kevin's previous car. I think he's still reminiscing on that car because it was insane. So we brought some of that old car into the new one. Carbon ceramic brakes as well, as you can see. Dread to think how much they're worth. Down the side we've got a side skirt going on. Obviously carbon fibre as well. It's going to be fitted onto there. We don't have to remove any of these old sills because they fix on to the originals. We've got the carbon fibre up on the wing mirror as well, so there's going to be carbon galore on this car. Around to the back. You've got a bit of an obstacle course, Jake, round here. It's up in the air, so we can't show you it all as of yet, but the rear spoiler is going to be coming off. We've got the complete new carbon spoiler going on there. Much, much beefier rear end coming on as well. This little tray in here, that's going to be changed to carbon as well. I think that's everything, isn't it, Jake? Side skirts, front splitter, rear diffuser, spoiler. It's going to look insane, absolutely insane. So Jake's now going to film Nelly taking the whole car apart and then film it all going back together. And the next time you'll see me is at the end when we're walking around it, showing you how incredible this is going to look. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. So guys, we've now come to the end of the video, and I think you can all agree that is a serious transformation, and it looks like an absolute weapon. The road presence that this car have is insane. Obviously the video looks awesome, but when you actually see this car in person, you can walk around it and see all the different angles. It looks incredible. Now, I know you've watched the whole video, so you know what we've done, but I've got a list here which Kevin sent me of kind of the hot topics of the car and products, etc. And obviously I'm not no Hollywood film star, so I'm going to be reading this off my phone what Kevin sent me. So we'll start with the wheels. They're a 660 design wheel, extremely special. They are, the style that they're called is a crypto split rim. The fronts are a 20-inch and the rears are a 21-inch, so obviously bigger at the back. With obviously a lot of power going through them. Now the body kit, it's a full Vorsteiner style body kit. Kevin purchased this from CSS Carbon. They do have a website, they don't have any prices on there, so I don't exactly know how much it is, but I know it's gonna be in the thousands. And to be honest, it's a really good quality kit. Obviously we applied our TBC skins, so we protected all of that carbon. Like I said, it's gonna be extremely expensive. Now moving on to the exhaust, we haven't shown much of the exhaust in this video, but what I can say is, it is beyond loud, like painfully loud. Kevin come down after it was all fitted and set up, etc. And he was obviously giving it a rev. He's like a big kid, Kev, so he give it some beans, and you can physically feel it in your body how loud it is. And the pops and bangs, it's like a shotgun going off. It sounds incredible. That exhaust was actually made, I don't know the company's name, but Kevin said it was a gentleman called Chris, and he's from Canada, and it was actually custom built out of titanium. It's obviously got all the flared colours in it as well, a lot of blue to match obviously the Paris blue of the body colour, and it looks brilliant. Once that has all been done, obviously the exhaust fitted, we'd fitted the body kit, obviously the wheels are gone on, the car has also been tuned. Now this has been done at GAD Tuning. They're great guys, a lot of our customers use them. They are quite a way away from us in Norwich, but it's definitely worth a trip because them guys seem to be the place to go. And I've actually got a picture of Kevin's dyno run on my phone here, and what I can say is the car is now running over 850 brake horsepower, and it's not far off 1,000 Newton meters of torque. So not only does it look incredible, sounds incredible, it's also extremely fast. I think that's everything to run by obviously what we're done and some real main features of that car. But we appreciate you guys getting to the end of this video, and we would really appreciate it if you could share this video, comment on this video, like this video, and most importantly subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that gets us in front of people who want to do some crazy builds like this as well. Obviously help us grow our channel to keep creating it for you. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It would mean an awful lot to us. Thank you guys, and we will see you next time. Actually, before you go, if you're local to Norfolk, Kevin's car actually got featured in one of our local newspapers. This was an article on ourselves at the Body Centre and sort of a general overbrief of our sector of the motor industry, which we done a little interview in there. But as you can see, we did show off Kev's car in the newspaper as well, which has had some seriously great feedback since he's had the car back. Obviously, we're filming this after the car is gone. But yeah, thank you again, guys, and we'll see you next time.